Nico, I got a favor to ask you.
What is it?
Well, you've been spending time with the rest of my family. I figured you may as well complete the set. You remember my brother Derek? Came along on the bank job?
Sure.
He's in a bad way. Last I heard, he was spending his hours in some park in Actor. Go down and check on him. Me and Gerald will cover any expenses incurred.
Alright, man. I'll go find him.
Ovdje kod Erika ćemo kasnije, sam imao ponovo kod...
You sure this guy's alright?
You the guy's
You
good.
checked him out?
Hey, here he is right here. Phil Nico Phil.
So you're the guy who got jumped for a couple of million?
Yeah. You gonna pop me for it?
No, I've heard good things. Some odd friends, but you know, what are you gonna do?
You're right. I've been keeping bad company.
Oh, you mean this guy? He's okay. Well, he pays up, and he ain't gone stage yet.
Very funny, ha.
Listen, we got a lot of missing money, and we got a problem with these fucking bikers.
And I've got a problem finding someone.
Yeah, nearly got something on that.
So we sent some of our boys after the money. Maybe you can deal with the bikers. Calm them down. They're causing trouble on the corner of Vauxhall and Exeter.
Sure.
Otherwise, you and Raymond here got a serious problem. The boss has got to get paid. Even when people forget to tell him about things they're working on.
Don't bust my balls. What's the point of talking about things unless they become real?
I'm sure.
Yeah, I'm sure you're sure, Phil. You of all people.
Now what the hell does that mean?
Nothing. I mean, come on. You're a guy who knows what's what, right, Phil? Take it easy.
Dobro, šta god. Okej, gdje su oni? Dobro, stigli smo.
You took something that belonged to my employers.
Shit! That's the cocksucker that Johnny ripped off for the diamond loot! Hey, why don't we see if he can keep up with some real American bikers? Hey, let's do this!
Mrzim ovo.
Here we go again.
Naravno. Dobra ga. Ohoho, da ih se rešim. A, šta je ovo? Prokleti motori!
Oh no! Your body's dead!
Šteta! Ma daj, kako je moguće još uvijek živ? Dobro, ovdje će barem... Kako je još uvijek živ? Oho. Mrzim ovo. Kako je moguće da ga ovo još uvijek nije ubilo? Ok, troškove onda. Ja sam vidio taj metro. Dobro. Pošto ne možemo da ga ubijemo, samo ćemo da ga pratimo. Kroz ovaj tunel. Ali bukvalno, kako je moguće da on ne... Dobro, i došli smo. Sad smo malo na... kako smo kaže, na... otvorenom. Više nismo u podzemlju. Dobro. Zašto bih ušao u voz? Čovječe, ne. Još ga nisam izgubio. Čekaj, ja ne mogu vjerujem da je još uvek... Dobro. On je... Nekako... Aha. Ovdje nešto gličuje, s obzirom da ga još uvijek nisam izgubio. Konačno. Rest in hell. Ovo ti je sve muke koje si mi naneo. Ovo je za voz.
I got rid of those bikers for you. Johnny wasn't there, though.
The other guys is meant to be taking care of him. Don't worry about it, Nicky.
Dobro. Vidimo se... Opet kod Reja. Duplo. Doviđenja.
Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style.